Friends, today we are going to learn about synonyms in English. So let's start. The meaning of casual is akasmic and the synonym for casual is accidental. The meaning of keen is तीक्ष्ण and the synonym for keen is sharp. The meaning of guilt is अपराध and the synonym for guilt is crime. The meaning of vacation is अवकाश and the synonym for vacation is holiday. The meaning of thin is दुबला and the synonym for thin is slim. The meaning of quit is छोड़ना and the synonym for quit is leave. The meaning of option is विकल्प and the synonym for option is choice. The meaning of lucky is भाग्यशाली and the synonym for lucky is fortunate. The meaning of command is आदेश and the synonym for command is order. The meaning of damage is नुकसान and the synonym for damage is harm. The meaning of mighty is ताकतवर and the synonym for mighty is strong. The meaning of rare is दुर्लभ and the synonym for rare is scarce. The meaning of usual is सामान्य and the synonym for usual is common. The meaning of simple is सरल and the synonym for simple is plain. The meaning of king is raja and the synonym for king is ruler or monarch. The meaning of habit is आदत and the synonym for habit is custom. The meaning of brief is संक्षिप्त and the synonym for brief is short. The meaning of calm is शांत and the synonym for calm is quiet. The meaning of false is गलत and the synonym for false is untrue. The meaning of couple is जोड़ा and the synonym for couple is pair. The meaning of foolish is मूर्ख and the synonym for foolish is silly. The meaning of hear is सुनना and the synonym for hear is listen. Thank you for watching this video. मेरे इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.